Okay, if you're an earbud person, somebody that likes that old school earbud style, you will like this new release. It's not too expensive. It's from a HiFi brand, DQSM. They're calling this earbud the Hermit. It's launched. It's on sale now. It's a simple dynamic driver earbud. It's not mind-boggling in what it can do. The impedance is 16 ohms, 112 decibel per milliwatts. Not too hard to drive. So it's coming with a non-detachable cable. So it's what it is. The driver in it is quite small, 6.8 inch. Sorry, 6.8 millimeter, not inch. Dynamic driver. It's not the biggest dynamic driver that you have, but it doesn't have to be, as long as the 6.8-inch driver is tuned well to reproduce sound. It will do what it needs to do. Its price is not too expensive. It's about $22 or $25, depending on the store you're checking it out. But yeah, even at that, I don't know whether people would leave in-ear monitors and go for this. I think it's still worth to check out if you really want to check out earbuds generally and you really care about earbuds. I think you can still check it out. I don't think it's a bad uh, proposition to still always have earbuds. They are, in their own way, still convenient. They may not seal you as well as an in-ear monitor can, but I think it's still a good way of hearing stuff generally. I think it's still a very good way of hearing stuff generally, honestly. So that's it. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, do follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.